Each week you see Attorney Jim Higgins from the Higgins Firm on our show, but today we're introducing you to the newest member of their team. Attorney Kimberly Simpson recently sat down with us to tell us more about her story and experience and what she's doing at the firm. We've got Kimberly joining us in the studio today. Kimberly, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
And congratulations, you're the newest member of the Employment Law Division at the Higgins Firm. You've been there 5 or 6 months now. Tell us a little bit about yourself. It's great to have you on the show.
Sure, thanks. I'm from Bowling Green, Kentucky originally. I grew up there and went to the University of Kentucky for both undergrad and law school. After law school, I moved to Birmingham for a short time and practiced with a firm there before moving to Nashville earlier this year. So when I moved to Nashville, I joined the Higgins Firm and I've been there ever since.
All right, and I'm sure it was a no-brainer. It's a great team there. We love Jim and Rick. They're on the show a lot. And, you know, just great people. They're just great at what they do, helping out Middle Tennesseans. Tell us a little bit about why you decided to join the Higgins Firm.
Sure. When I came to Nashville, I heard great things about Jim and his attorneys and his staff at the Higgins Firm. And I knew that it was something I wanted to be a part of. They really help people out. They're so friendly and welcoming. Jim was gracious enough to give me a job, and now I'm practicing with them.
All right, and you're doing exclusively employment law. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
Right, I mostly handle overtime cases. People call in, they aren't sure whether they are entitled to overtime. They either haven't been paid overtime or think that they're not being paid the proper rate.
Right.
I see a lot of those cases. A lot of people think that just because they're paid salary, they're not entitled to overtime, and that's often what their employers tell them. But that's not the case necessarily. A lot of people are hired in, and an employer will call them a manager, but and put them on salary, but their job duties are such that they are entitled to overtime. And so that's what it really comes down to.
Okay.
And if anyone, has any questions about whether they think they're entitled to overtime or not, I take those calls every day, and I'm happy to talk with anyone, and even if it's not something we can help them out with, there are often other issues that come up when I'm speaking with them that are also potential issues that they may need help with.
Right, so they can just give you a call if they have any questions. You can walk them through that and let them know what they need to do.
Sure, I welcome anyone to give me a call. I enjoy talking to everyone, and always happy when I can do something for someone to make a difference.
All right, well, Kimberly, it's nice to meet you. Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thank you.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-924-8500 or go to higginsfirm.com.